Dear friends, I want to share with you one of my favorite pastimes that brings me immense joy and peace: cloud watching. There's something truly magical about lying on the grass, gazing up at the sky, and getting lost in the ever changing formations of clouds. It's a simple yet profoundly beautiful activity that never fails to captivate me. When the weather is fine, I find myself drawn to this consistently enjoyable pastime. I become completely absorbed in the activity, so much so that I lose track of time and everything else around me. The warmth of the sunshine envelops me, calming my mind and soothing my soul. As I lie there, I love spotting shapes and animals in the clouds, letting my imagination run wild as I create stories out of their fluffy formations. Sometimes I simply appreciate the clouds for what they are: nature's breathtaking artwork, ever shifting and ephemeral. I find cloud watching to be incredibly calming and therapeutic. It's a perfect way to quiet my mind in the middle of the hectic day, or to simply take a moment to appreciate the beauty of the present moment and the gift of life itself. Occasionally, I will take a photo of a particularly beautiful cloud formation and send it to someone who comes to my mind in that moment. But most of the time, I prefer to leave my phone in my bag and fully immerse myself in the experience. I've even heard of a wonderful community called the Cloud Appreciation Society, where people from all over the world come together to share photos of their most inspiring cloud sightings. It's a testament to the universal allure and wonder of cloud watching. I've included a short recording I made during one of my cloud watching sessions. I hope you will take a moment to watch it and experience a bit of the tranquility and beauty that I find in this simple yet profound activity. So, my dear friends, I invite you to join me in slowing down, looking up, and appreciating the breathtaking cloudscapes that grace our skies. Let's find joy and peace in the simple moments together.
to my Lord, that I should